why you're not fluent in English yet, even after years of learning. You've been learning English for years, textbooks, classes, vocabulary lists, but still, when it's time to speak, you freeze. Why? What's really stopping you from becoming fluent? Let's break it down. Not with boring grammar, but with real talk, real reasons, and real solutions. Let me tell you a quick story. There's a guy named Mo. He studied English in school for 10 years. He passed all his exams. He knew grammar rules better than his teacher. But the moment he had to speak with a foreigner, he panicked. He looked like a beginner. Why? Because he only studied English? He didn't use it. And this is what's happening to most English learners. Let me explain the reasons why you're not fluent yet. You focus only on input, not output. You read, you listen, you watch videos. That's good. But fluency comes from output, speaking, writing, using English in real situations. It's like trying to learn how to swim by reading a book. You need to get in the water. Solution: talk to yourself in English. Use voice messages. Join speaking groups. Even if it's just 2 minutes a day, start speaking. You're afraid of making mistakes. I don't want to sound stupid. I'm shy. I don't want people to laugh at me. This fear stops your mouth from moving. But guess what? Every fluent speaker made mistakes. Mistakes aren't the enemy. Silence is. Solution: change your mindset. Say, I'm not perfect, but I'm practicing. Be proud of your progress, not your perfection. You memorize, but don't connect. Many learners memorize long word lists. But when it's time to speak, your brain can't find the words. Why? Because you learned them, but you didn't connect them to your life. Solution: learn vocabulary in full sentences. Instead of just learning apple, learn, I eat an apple every morning. That way, your brain remembers how to use it, not just what it means. You're not consistent. You study for 1 week, then stop for 2, then try again, then stop. Fluency is like fitness. You can't go to the gym once a month and expect muscles. Solution: small daily practice beats big once-a-week study. Even 15 minutes a day is powerful. Fluency doesn't mean speaking fast. It means expressing your ideas clearly and confidently. That takes time, but it's 100% possible. So, if you're still not fluent after years of learning, it's not because you're not smart. It's not because English is too hard. It's because you need to change how you learn. Speak more. Fear less. Be consistent. Don't just study English. Live in it. Tell me, which of these reasons fits your situation? Comment below. Let's improve together. And remember, more real talk, tips, and English lessons only on Vivid English Avenue. Subscribe now and let's speak English the smart way. Vivid English Avenue Stories Channel.